How's it going, guys? It's officially on, and today we're going to play some new game video, and it is called Warship Battle. Apparently, it's a game about boats, yeah, navy, and as you fight your way through, I think. Am I right? Am I right? Oh, lol, lol, lol. Hmm. Well, I guess the loading sucks, huh? Ha! Fabulous. So that's my boat. It's shaking, lol. Why is it shaking? Don't be scammer. Serpine. Don't be pain. It's gonna be okay. So, doubt. Oh, there you go. That's the name. Bulldog. Bulldog, you're so doubt. How dare you for us? Damn. Damn. The bigger the better, huh? Oh my god. Biggest ship ever. Now, oh my god. Those are jets. Well, here we have copters. I'm gonna go back to the very episode. Sold out. Okay, here we're going to proceed with battle now. Captain on board. Can look at the radar minimap. Obviously, I have to tilt my device. Mm. Did you just shoot me? Did you just shoot me? There we go. Easy. Boom, headshot. I'm going to shoot this guy. No, I'm not. I'm not. I thought I was going to destroy it. I thought. Next. Bang! Did you see that? Can't tilt my device properly though. Oh, there you go. You again? How many times do I have to kill you? What's that? Attack types 2 or you're screwed. good turret. Oh, you're gonna wish you haven't me. Boy, can you can defeat me with those toy guns? Ha! Toy gun. Big no. Mission complete. There's a box. Finally. Wait, what? There you go. Mm, It begins. Okay, fine. Then swiftly change the PT. You don't have any good captain. Why don't you try to officially own Navy? Officially owned Navy is coming. The rise of officially owned will rise. I mean, the officially owned empire will rise again as soon. You think those tanks affects me? No, they don't, because I'm part of the officially owned army. Apparently, there's this little guy just shooting me in the front. Well, apparently, as you can see in the map, this one is the big guy. Oh my god, where the hell is he going? He just went through. Now I'm coming for you, the big boss. What if I use the torpedo? Oh, you're so screwed. Bentley, no need. Damn. Welcome to the officially owned army. Okay, now. Miss. Oh my god, that kind of boat. Unlimited torpedoes. Well, apparently, if you make a side view of them, they shoot more guns. This. Oh my god, yeah. There you go. This is it. Really, that's the big thingy. And I'm just near them, so I'm just gonna shoot them if they wouldn't mind. Destroy battleship. Where's the battleship? Okay, the battleship is here. And there's a helicopter. There's a helicopter. I'm being outnumbered here. I repeat, Captain Slug. Day 152. This may be my last vlog. No, it isn't. Torpedoes. Torpedoes were invented. Torpedoes were invented. Torpedoes were invented. Okay? Basic. We call that the battleship. What a puny battleship. It's like a small ship for the. Don't you dare. Did you just. Yes, the bullet. But I have to tilt it. Shoot it. It. Kill it with fire. Officially owned army will soon rise again. I'm going through him. Best. Where are the. Apparently, I have to put. I have no idea what I'm doing. Oh no, it's just shooting it like right. How dare you? No! 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 Officially owned boat. You just got owned. No! Well, apparently I'm just gonna let you do that mission. So that's it for today. That's Warship Battle Admiral's Log. Lol. Just gonna, let you finish the battle. So leave a like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more awesome videos. Just remember you heard it from Officially Owned.